Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a table from Chatgpt to Google Sheets step by step. If Chatgpt generates a table with rows and columns, you can quickly move it into Google Sheets while keeping the data organized. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Chatgpt. Locate the table you want to copy. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the entire table, then right-click and select Copy, or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Sheets. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Open an existing spreadsheet or click Blank Spreadsheet to create a new one. Click on the cell where you want the table to begin, usually cell A1. Now right-click and select Paste or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Google Sheets will automatically place the data into separate rows and columns. If the table doesn't appear correctly, click the Edit menu and choose Paste Special, then try one of the available paste options. You can also use the Split Text to Columns feature if all the data is pasted into a single column. Once the table is in Google Sheets, adjust the column widths, apply formatting, or add filters as needed. Finally, review the data to make sure everything has been copied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted a table from Chatgpt to Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Chatgpt tips, Google Sheets tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.